These color preference LED fixtures from ETI are a perfect choice for recessed downlights or flush-mounted ceiling fixtures. They are color selectable, fully dimmable, easy to wire and install, and have a nightlight mode built right into the fixture. The recessed downlights come in two sizes, 4-inch and 6-inch. They have 5 different color temperatures to select from: 2700K, 3000K, 3500K, 4000K, and 5000K. The flush mount ceiling fixtures are also available in two sizes, 11-inch and 16-inch. They have 3 different color temperatures to select from: 3000K, 4000K, and 5000K. This can be selected by simply twisting the cover off of the light, then move the switch to the color temperature of your choice. Both fixture models have a built-in nightlight mode. To activate the nightlight mode, simply turn the lights off with a normal wall switch. Then, if you turn the switch back on within 30 seconds, the fixture will come back on in nightlight mode. Nightlight mode provides a dim 2000K warm ambient light. If you have any questions about these products, call 888-455-2800 to speak with a lighting specialist.